Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Prof. Sharizal. My name is IRDINA and I would like to be the first presenter for my group, Team Asia. So, the first one, I will show you the overview of our home screen interface. Basically, when we run our application, we will automatically go to the main page here and we will see the header, the content and the footer here. This is the home page. Then we can simply go to the about. This is the overview of our application, and also this is our team, and here the contact where the user can simply message the admin for any inquiry. They can simply fill in the details as needed here. And also we have provided login features where user can log in by inserting a student or teacher position and enter the username or password. And also, instead of login, user also can get started where they can simply sign up if they don't have any account for the Schoo-Lah application system. And the first one, they have to choose whether they want to sign up as a student or teacher, and then fill in the requirement stated below. Alright, so basically, the application, we have deployed it to the run cloud, this is the alpha version for our application. We have deployed it here, and this is the details for our application. And this is the database that we use. The database called as Schoo-Lah, and this is some of the table that we think that we need to sort out this table later in the next version. And also we use tenant function as a platform for our gamification concept. Okay, let me show you. This is the current total player, but actually we want to observe for one player only because we want to make sure that it works. The player actually consists of students, not teachers, because we want to observe the gamification concept only for students. Okay. And also we have leaderboard here, which is we want to measure the challenge, the rank or the level up. And there is also login where each time the user log in, the student log in, it will automatically get one score and it will add cumulatively for each and every login. Okay, let me show you the login leaderboard. Here we can simply see the metric ID here is login score. And as I said earlier, our main player here is Mario Nintendo. So here he has login 24 times. Therefore, he already got 24 score for the login. The other one, we have also tasks where we want to measure the task progress for the student. If the student submit task, he will automatically got 20 score for the task submitted. Okay, so here Mario has submit 6 tasks, so he get 120 score. Sign up. Okay, when we already signed up, we go to the tenant to see whether the student have inserted in the player or not. We refresh this, and now the player increasing, which is earlier was 7 and now it is 8. You can see here, we have inserted ABC here. If we log in the student, log in, go to the tenant and the login, we can see here ABC have logged in one time. So basically that is our gamification concept implemented.
Now I will show you the interface for the student part. So this is the login. So now I will log in using the student information username and password as a student and the position. So now we go into the student interface. The first part is my subject. So this is the list of subject that the student will be taken, and it will show the progress, the task progress will be completed 20% or anything. So now go into detail, we show a list of the tasks that will be doing. So they will be clicked, and the task detail will be shown here, and then the due date also be shown at here. So you can see the remaining time and the submission due date, and then this is the part that you can click into detail and see. So the word challenge is a part of challenge that will be do like a quiz, but the quiz question will be taken from the whole Malaysia. We see the score, the The higher the score, the total score will be corrected at here. So be based on the award. The badge will be based on the task progress. If the task progress increases, the badge will be also increases for each subject. And then the trophy also will be given for each subject. It will be based on the world challenge. The higher the trophy will be the higher the score lah. So this is part of the subject list. So now going to tuition fee. The tuition fee will be show the outstanding and the list of the description that the student that already pay or the part they need to pay. So this will be show the total fee that he or she need to pay. So this is a simple way will be shown in detail. And then this bookstore part will be show the list of the book that is available inside in the online. So be shown in green color purchase, and the sold out will be in sold out red color. So this is a list like this. All these are taken from database, and then this is a profile page for the student. So be show the detail of the student information, and then the image will be browsed in the simple way like this. So this is just a basic simple part for the student interface. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad FIKRI bin ISMAIL. So right now we will be presenting my part for the Schoo-Lah web browser. Okay, so I will be talking about the user interface for teachers. So right now we will be logged in as a teacher. Okay, first we can select the position teacher and teacher boundaries. This is in our database, so we can log in. So once we log in, we have three different points that we can highlight, which are my subjects, my students, and the QR attendance. We can view this on the top bar and also on the bottom bar. Okay, so this is basically the user interface for teacher on the my subjects section. Okay, so for the mathematics, we can view details. Okay, so we can edit or we can delete. Okay, so the mode delete, and then we can add the task. Okay, so for example, at task I type mathematics. Okay, so and then we type all. Okay, just for an example. Okay, so we can choose a file, any file, then we can save change, and the output is there, which means the task already there. This is connected to our database, so it didn't in our database right now. Okay, so we can go back to subject list. Okay, the same thing goes with the other subject. Okay, the next one is that my students. Okay, so for my students, we can select the year that we want to view who is registering under the teacher. The teacher can view who is she or he teaching. Okay, so right now I'm going to demo for year of study for year 1. So we press search. Okay, the first student is Buket. Okay, so this is in our database. This is what the teacher will see for the students that are registering under the teacher. Okay, the next one we're going to demo for the QR attendance. Okay, so for the QR attendance, the teacher can view or check the attendance for the student on this interface, and then they also can generate the QR code for the student to scan. Okay, so right now, just for example, pick year 1 and then Bahasa Melayu search. Okay, it is there. Okay, and then they can check the list of students that come into the class, and then we can generate. Okay, year 1 Bahasa Melayu, this just for an example, and then generate. Okay, so the QR code is there. The student can scan, or the teacher will share screen to the students. Okay, so the student have to scan using their mobile phone, basically. Okay, so going back home, and then we can view my profile. In here, the teacher can edit their profile as they wish. They can upload image, can choose image. Okay, so and then they can save. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you.